Bathroom layout redesign is the foundation of a better walk-in shower and tub design mobile project, especially when the goal is a modern bath upgrade that improves comfort, style, and daily usability. A full-service bath remodeling plan can combine custom bathroom cabinetry, plumbing fixture replacement, slip-resistant bathroom flooring, and waterproof shower systems for a safer and more efficient space. In Mobile, Alabama, homeowners often choose residential bathroom renovation solutions that balance beauty with practical function, whether the project is a small bathroom remodel, a luxury bathroom renovation, or a complete bathroom renovation. Mobile, Alabama. The right bathroom design and build mobile team can transform outdated spaces into elegant, durable rooms with long-lasting value. Walk-in shower installation is one of the most requested upgrades for homeowners seeking bathroom accessibility modifications and accessible bathroom renovation benefits. A curbless shower upgrade can make daily routines easier while supporting ADA-compliant bathroom upgrades in properties across Mobile, Alabama. Many families also request shower bench installation, built-in shower niches, and a glass shower enclosure to create a cleaner, more functional bathing area. For those searching for Mobile, Alabama walk-in shower installation or curbless shower installation mobile, a skilled Mobile, Alabama bathroom contractor can provide shower replacement services mobile with proper waterproofing, tilework, and sleek finishes that elevate the entire bathroom. Tub-to-shower conversion remains a smart option for homeowners wanting more space, easier access, and a refreshed look in residential bath remodeling. Mobile, Alabama projects. A Mobile, Alabama tub-to-shower conversion can open up tight layouts, improve traffic flow, and support bathroom accessibility. Remodel Mobile, Alabama goals without sacrificing design. Many clients pair this with tile shower remodel work, shower pan replacement, or shower pan repair. Mobile, Alabama to ensure a long-lasting installation. When handled by a bathroom remodeling company in Mobile, Alabama, the result is a practical and stylish upgrade that works well for busy households, aging-in-place plans, and mobile shower and tub remodeling needs. Luxury and comfort often drive demand for custom shower design, freestanding tub installation, and soaking tub design in Mobile, Alabama bathroom upgrades. A Mobile, Alabama luxury bathroom remodel can include premium tile shower installation Mobile, Alabama service, elegant glass shower door installation mobile, and upscale custom bath renovation details that feel tailored to the home. Homeowners in search of Mobile, Alabama custom bath renovation often want both a serene soaking area and a high-end shower system, making the walk-in shower and tub design mobile approach especially valuable. With the right materials and layout, a bathroom can become a true retreat while still supporting functionality and long-term durability. Small bathroom renovation mobile projects benefit from smart planning, efficient storage, and space-saving design choices that maximize every square foot. A custom shower design in mobile can make a compact room feel larger, while built-in shower niches, custom bathroom cabinetry, and a streamlined glass shower enclosure reduce clutter and improve usability. Many bathroom renovation Mobile, Alabama jobs also include modern bath upgrade elements such as sleek plumbing fixture replacement and minimalistic tile patterns. For homeowners looking for a residential bathroom renovation that makes a small room feel premium, a thoughtful bathroom layout redesign can deliver both form and function without sacrificing comfort. Accessible bathroom remodeling mobile and ADA-compliant bathroom upgrades are essential for households that want safer, easier bathing solutions. A walk-in tub installation Mobile, Alabama project may be ideal for those who need seated bathing, while a curbless shower upgrade or accessible bathroom renovation can support independent living and future-proof the home. Mobile, Alabama bathroom upgrades often include slip-resistant bathroom flooring, shower bench installation, and wider entry points for improved mobility. Whether the goal is bathroom accessibility modifications or a full bathroom remodel, a Mobile, Alabama tub remodeler can help create a safer bathroom that still looks polished, modern, and inviting. Bathroom tub remodeling is a strong choice for homeowners who want a fresh look without giving up the value of a tub. A freestanding tub installation paired with a tile shower remodel can create a balanced and stylish bathroom remodel, especially in homes seeking a Mobile, Alabama modern shower design or a luxurious spa-inspired atmosphere. Full bathroom remodel services in Mobile, Alabama often incorporate waterproof shower systems, shower pan replacement, and plumbing fixture replacement to ensure a dependable final result. When a room needs both beauty and utility, bathroom tub remodeling can support the overall design while meeting practical daily needs. Residential bathroom renovation in Mobile is most effective when handled by an experienced Mobile, Alabama bathroom contractor who understands local style preferences, moisture control, and the demands of Gulf Coast living. Mobile bathroom remodeling projects often require durable materials, expert installation, and a design that fits the home's architecture. From shower replacement services mobile to bathroom design and build mobile solutions, the right team can manage every detail with precision. Homeowners searching for bathroom remodeling company in Mobile, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama tub to shower conversion, or bathroom renovation Mobile, Alabama benefit from coordinated planning, clean craftsmanship, and a finish that improves both property value and everyday comfort. Bathroom renovation. Mobile, Alabama services deliver a modern bath upgrade with bathroom layout redesign, plumbing fixture replacement, and custom bathroom cabinetry for homes across Mobile, Alabama. A full-service bath remodeling plan can include bathroom tub remodeling, freestanding tub installation, soaking tub design, and residential bathroom renovation for properties needing style and function. For homeowners searching for a bathroom remodeling company in Mobile, Alabama, the best results often come from a bathroom design and build mobile approach that combines custom shower design, luxury bathroom renovation, and practical bathroom accessibility modifications. Walk-in shower installation and tub-to-shower conversion remain top choices for a small bathroom remodel, especially when maximizing space in Mobile, Alabama homes. A Mobile, Alabama tub-to-shower conversion can open up a tight layout while supporting accessible bathroom renovation goals and ADA-compliant bathroom upgrades. With curbless shower upgrade options, shower pan replacement, shower bench installation, built-in shower niches, and slip-resistant bathroom flooring, a custom bath renovation in Mobile, Alabama can improve safety and comfort without sacrificing style. Tile shower remodel projects in Mobile, Alabama often pair perfectly with glass shower enclosure upgrades and waterproof shower systems for a cleaner, brighter look. Homeowners looking for tile shower installation Mobile, Alabama or glass shower door installation Mobile can create a polished space with durable finishes and a custom shower design in Mobile that fits their lifestyle. From shower replacement services Mobile to shower pan repair Mobile, Alabama, a well-planned shower renovation can support long-term performance in a humid coastal climate. Accessible bathroom remodeling Mobile and bathroom accessibility remodel Mobile, Alabama services are essential for aging-in-place and mobility-friendly homes. A curbless shower installation Mobile project, along with ADA-compliant bathroom upgrades and a walk-in shower and tub design Mobile, can make daily routines easier for everyone. For those comparing walk-in tub installation Mobile, Alabama with Mobile, Alabama walk-in shower installation, the right solution depends on mobility needs, available space, and the overall bathroom renovation Mobile, Alabama plan. Mobile, Alabama bathroom upgrades can also include small bathroom renovation Mobile services, residential bath remodeling Mobile, Alabama, and full bathroom remodel packages tailored to older homes and newer builds alike. A Mobile, Alabama tub remodeler can handle bathroom tub remodeling, shower pan replacement, and modern bath upgrade details while keeping the project efficient and cohesive. Whether the goal is a full-service bath remodeling project or a targeted bath update, Mobile shower and tub remodeling helps create a more functional and visually appealing space. Luxury finishes are increasingly popular in Mobile, Alabama luxury bathroom remodel projects, where custom shower design, built-in shower niches, custom bathroom cabinetry, and freestanding tub installation bring both comfort and sophistication. A Mobile, Alabama modern shower design can feature glass shower enclosure systems, slip-resistant bathroom flooring, and waterproof shower systems for lasting value. For homeowners seeking bathroom remodeling in Mobile, Alabama with strong resale appeal, a bathroom renovation company serving Mobile, Alabama can deliver a seamless, high-end result with residential bathroom renovation expertise.